Hi guys! We are going to have a fun color mixing activity that helps teach kids about black color. We can see black color of an object when it absorbs all colors of visible light. Let's mix the three primary colors to see what happens. Why didn't we mix all the colors of a rainbow? Because other colors can also be produced by mixing primary colors. Check this activity for discovering it. It's easy to set up and will wow your kids. You can also use this mixing color activity to see the different shades of colors. Just let your kids to pick colors that they'd like to mix together. Subscribe to my channel and help your kids explore color mixing. If you need more easy learning activities for your kids, you can watch these videos or check the description below. See you next time. Bye!